You're testing a web application that uses CAPTCHA and OTP-based login for security. Manual testers say the automation scripts fail to log in. How would you handle automation of the login flow considering these limitations while maintaining test coverage?
Absolutely. I faced a similar situation in a fintech project, where login was protected using both CAPTCHA and OTP to prevent bot attacks and enhance security. Our automation suite initially failed at the login stage, and this blocked the entire flow of downstream test cases. Now, the very first realization I had was, we shouldn't try to bypass security measures like CAPTCHA or OTP, that could even violate terms of service in real deployments. So instead, I focused on smart workarounds that retain the security layers, while enabling test coverage. First, we engaged with the dev team and got a dedicated automation environment. In that setup, CAPTCHA was either disabled or replaced with a static stub that always passed validation. This is a common practice in QA pipelines. Then came the OTP. In our test setup, the OTPs were sent via SMS, but we convinced the devs to log the OTP to the server logs or test DB for automation purposes. My test would fetch the OTP by reading the DB entry, or an API exposed only for internal testing. For sensitive flows where automation wasn't possible, like CAPTCHA in production, we marked those scripts as partial automation, and tagged them as manual verification required, so they wouldn't break the CI/CD pipeline. The takeaway here is, automation is not just about covering 100% of UI flow, it's about making smart architectural choices, working with dev teams, and designing resilient test strategies that still give you confidence in your application's stability.